Peace be upon you and your family. Chemical properties of potassium permanganate. In the previous videos, we have discussed the preparation of potassium permanganate, structure and physical properties of potassium permanganate. We know potassium permanganate, in which the manganese is in +7 oxidation state, used as a powerful oxidizing agent. Before enter into the oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate, now in this video we are going to discuss about the action of heat on potassium permanganate, reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid in two conditions, cold H2SO4 and hot H2SO4, that we are going to discuss in this video. Let's see. Chemical properties, action of heat. When heated, potassium permanganate decomposes to form potassium manganate and manganese dioxide with the liberation of oxygen. KMnO4 on heating gives potassium manganate K2MnO4, MnO2 and O2 gas is liberated. I will explain this reaction in detail. Action of concentrated H2SO4. On treating with cold con H2SO4, it decomposes to form manganese heptoxide, which subsequently decomposes explosively into manganese dioxide and liberate oxygen. But with hot concentrated H2SO4, potassium permanganate give MnSO4. Mn7 plus is reduced into Mn2 plus with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. All these reactions we are going to discuss in detail, stepwise. Chemical properties of potassium permanganate. Action of heat. First chemical properties. Action of heat on potassium permanganate. We have discussed the action of heat on potassium dichromate. The similar reaction takes place in potassium permanganate also. Just I remind that potassium dichromate reaction here. K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate on heating gives potassium chromate K2Cr4 plus oxide of chromium Cr2O3, liberation of O2. This reaction we discussed in the action of heat on potassium dichromate. But now we are studying the potassium permanganate. Both potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate used as a powerful oxidizing agent due to its high oxidation number. In potassium permanganate, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. In potassium dichromate, chromium is in +6 oxidation state. Potassium permanganate, KMnO4. When heated, similar reaction. K2Cr4, K2MnO4, oxide of chromium, oxide of manganese, MnO2 plus liberation of oxygen, O2, liberation of oxygen. How to balance the reaction? Easy balancing. 2 potassium, 2 potassium. 2 manganese, here one manganese, here one manganese, 2 manganese. 8 oxygen atom, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. The equation is balanced. Now what is KMnO4? You know, this is nothing but potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. Permanganate indicate that potassium manganese is in plus 6 oxidation state, plus 7 oxidation state. Potassium permanganate. What is K2MnO4? This is your potassium manganate. Manganate. In KMnO4, the manganese is in plus 7 oxidation state, and in potassium manganate it is in plus 6 oxidation state. In MnO4 it is in plus 4 oxidation state. Due to this liberation of oxygen, potassium permanganate is used as a powerful oxidizing agent. Then our next reaction, and also very most important reaction, is action of concentrated sulfuric acid. Action of concentrated sulfuric acid. We are going to use 2 types of consulfuric acid. One is cold consulfuric acid. Another one is hot consulfuric acid. One is cold consulfuric acid. Another one is hot concentrated sulfuric acid. First reaction is very most important reaction. So the reaction is with cold consulfuric acid. The next one is with hot consulfuric acid. With the cold consulfuric acid, how potassium permanganate undergo reaction. Potassium permanganate undergo reaction. KMnO4, potassium permanganate, KMnO4, when treated with the cold concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, condition is cold condition. What happens? Manganese is in plus 7 oxidation state. It gives manganese same heptoxide, in which manganese oxidation state equal to plus 7 oxygen minus 2. When we cross that valency, that 2 is here, this 7 is there, Mn2O7 plus potassium form bisulfate KHSO4, potassium bisulfate, and loss of H2O water molecule. How many manganese we have? 2 manganese, 2 manganese, 2 potassium, 2 potassium. How many sulfate? 2 sulfate, 2 sulfate. Finally, we have to balance hydrogen atoms. 2 into 2 are 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Equation is balanced. When it is treated with cold consulfuric acid, potassium permanganate decomposes to form manganese heptoxide. The name of this compound is manganese, Mn, manganese 7 hept oxide, manganese heptoxide. The manganese heptoxide Mn2O7 is decomposes explosively, explosive reaction, Mn2 O7 is decomposes explosively into plus 4 oxidation state. MnO2 plus liberation of oxygen. 2 manganese, 7 oxygen, and we have to balance this equation by a fractional method because oxygen is in the molecular state. So, in a fractional method, the first step balance the other element except oxygen. Other element we have only one element, 2 manganese. Second step, count the number of oxygen atom in the opposite side of the molecular oxygen. Count the number of oxygen atom in the opposite side of the molecular oxygen atom. How many oxygen we have? 7 oxygen. So, right hand side should be 7 oxygen. Here you have how many oxygen? 2 into 2 are 4 oxygen. Now you require only 3 oxygen. Ask a question. 2 into dash equal to 3. 2 into 3 by 2 equal to 3. To cancel the denominator quantity, the whole equation is multiplied by 2. To cancel the denominator quantity, the whole equation is multiplied by 2. So, what is the final equation? 2 Mn2 O7 gives 4 MnO2 plus 3O2. Gas is liberated. Correct? So, this is the final equation with the cold con H2SO4. If you add these two equations, manganese heptoxide get cancelled and you will get the final equation. The same reaction is repeated with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Here in manganese heptoxide, manganese is in plus 7 oxidation state, is reduced into plus 4 oxidation state. A very most important is with hot concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction is different with the hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, we are going to discuss how this reaction takes place. How this reaction takes place. Very easy reaction. Now see. Potassium permanganate KMnO4. KMnO4 when treated with hot concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives K plus combined with the SO4 2 minus gives KSO4. Potassium is monopositive, alkali metal always monopositive. Sulfate oxidation state is 2 minus. So, when you cross the oxidation state, you will get the molecular formula for potassium sulfate is K2SO4 plus manganese from plus 7 oxidation state is reduced into plus 2 oxidation state MnSO4. In this, manganese is in plus 2 oxidation state, sulfate 2 minus. When you cross the oxidation state, that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled, plus. Use of corn acid, loss of water molecule. It is an acidified potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent, therefore it will liberate oxygen. It will liberate oxygen. Acidified potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent, therefore it will liberate oxygen. We know an oxidizing agent undergo reduction. The manganese oxidation state decreases from plus 7 to plus 2 oxidation state. oxidation number decreases, therefore it is called oxidation. Now we are going to balance this equation by fractional method because oxygen is in the molecular form. Therefore, we can balance this whole equation by a fractional method. What is the first step in fractional method? Except oxygen, other elements should be balanced first. Except oxygen, other elements should be balanced first. 2 potassium, 2 potassium. 2 manganese, 2 manganese. Now, how many sulfate we have? 2 plus 1 equal to 3 sulfate, 3 sulfate. How many H2? 3 H2, 3 H2. So, except oxygen, other elements are balanced now. Now, consider these are sulfate oxygen. These are sulfate oxygen. So, without sulfate, the oxygen is present only in KMnO4. 2 into 4 are equal to 8. 2 into 4 are equal to 8. 8 oxygen we require. But here 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 oxygen we have. Now remaining 5 oxygen we require. So ask a question here. 2 into dash equal to 5. 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 5. To cancel the denominator quantity 2, the whole equation is multiplied by 2. To cancel the denominator quantity, the whole equation is multiplied by 2. When you multiply the whole equation by 2, what is the final equation obtained? 4 KMnO4 plus 2 into 3 are 6 H2SO4 gives multiplied by 2. 2 K2SO4 plus 2 into 2 are 4 MnSO4 plus 2 into 3 are 6 H2O. Finally, 2 into 5 by 2, 5O2. Acidified potassium dichromate liberate oxygen. It is an oxidizing agent. Remember always, an oxidizing agent always undergo reduction. Manganese oxidation state decreases from +7 to +2 oxidation state. If the oxidation number decreases, it is called reduction. If the oxidation number decreases, it is called reduction. An oxidizing agent undergo reduction, provide the electron, 5 electrons are lost, the electrons for the reduction reaction. An acidified potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent, prove that, because it produces oxygen that is necessary for oxidation reaction, therefore it is a powerful oxidizing agent. So these are the chemical properties of potassium dichromate. In both the reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid, manganese oxidation state decreases. With the cold con H2SO4, manganese oxidation state decreases from +7 to +4. And with the hot concentrated sulfuric acid, manganese oxidation state decreases from +7 to +2. Therefore, it is a powerful oxidizing agent. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.